Okay. Hi, I'm Steven. This is my teammates Nigel and Matt. We created an application that's going to be useful for anyone who attends FSU. I'm sure everyone here has ridden the transit system here, but it can be kind of confusing at times. You get lost, you don't know where the buses are, you have to check, and then it gets confusing. Then you jump on the wrong bus, you don't know what to do. Well, we created a solution for that called FSU Route Scout. Basically, it's a helper program that will assist you in getting around campus through the transit system. So, like I said, any student at FSU, mostly it's targeted toward newer students who are just learning the bus system, and they tend to be forgetful, don't know what's going on. And yeah, Matt here's going to show you a little bit about how it works.
So basically, our idea with this program was to make it clean, fast. We wanted people to just bring it up, a lot faster than bringing out like the route menu. Yeah. So let me go into the actual application. Switch over here. That's good. Okay. Nice little nifty logo.
Can you kill the rest of the lights?
So basically what we have here is a spinner and a map view. And actually you can click on the map and it's got the zoom in and out and it's centered over the campus. Not to show you guys though. Then just bring up the slider here. It's real quick. You can see it's got all the different bus routes, Garnet, Gold, Tomahawk. So you go to Osceola, automatically brings up the points. Follow it to your destination. Say if there's a couple like right here that are a little bit too close, you got that zoom function. See where actually it is that you need. Later on, we could implement an actual street view into this, so you can actually see the bus stop itself. And it's the nice thing about it, it's so light you can just switch and automatically just goes to the next route. You're not going to be standing there waiting for it to load. Color coordinated, you know where it is. And next, Nigel's going to show us or talk about some of the things we want to bring into future versions.
Yeah, so we have this app and it's really fast. It met our design objectives. It was clutter-free. It was nothing's hidden. But we also wanted to make it easier for users to interact. And so some things that we want to put in are collecting the times for each route. The buses come really frequently, and so it's not really necessary to put the times in, but it's important to know if you're going to be late for class or something. And we could use timers with each bus, and like every few minutes we could update or refresh the map, the overlay, and have it show where each bus is at that time. We actually, Matt implemented something in this program that finds the closest stop to your location, and well, we don't have that actually in here because of the time constraints, but what we could have done with it is take that point, that stop, and fire intent and bring it up in Google Maps and use that to direct you to the location from where you are currently. And we actually have all the routes like this, but we have the raw KML files with all the GPS points, but we have thousands of GPS points per route. So we needed to efficiently put that in. We didn't have time to figure out which points that we wanted to draw without making it really slow and cluttered, really slow. So and another thing we could do is include a traffic overlay and Oh yeah, in the night mode, that's something that we didn't have time to do.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. The FSU Route Scout helps you get around campus easily. Usable by pretty much anyone on campus.
Any questions?
So you said each of those dots are the individual stops.
Yes.
Is there an overlay where you see you said it was done but not
Well, yeah,
implement
the only
it?
thing That's, there's just like a few kinks to work out with it. Basically what it does is it opens up the location manager, grabs your current GPS location, and then all the GPS points are held in a content provider that Stephen did. And so basically what it is another option in the slider that you click find closest stop. It runs through all of the stops in the content provider, checks the distance from the current location, and then draws a line from your current location to the stop.
Any other questions? Yep.
Are you using Google Maps for this, or is this?
Yeah,
okay.
this the Google Wave, yeah.
You can zoom in, move around, just like any Google map.
Good job.